y'all, I need y'all to go outside, look up under that hood, and look at all of those water lines. See any of them that look like they haven't been replaced in forever? You might want to replace them.
Hervey was trucking through the back roads of North Carolina to make a same-day delivery when this happened. A busted water hose. With barely enough room to fit on the shoulder, he found the leak. He pulled out his extra water and tools and got to work. I'm sure you can relate. If you have an older truck, this one is an Aero 6 Columbia, weak water hoses, corroded electric wires, and air leaks are going to happen. If you find yourself with extra money and time, when you're already in the shop, replacing these things in advance is not a bad idea. That will keep you from being on the side of the road like Hervey is now. He's had some replaced, but as you can see, there's also a lot of patchwork going on here. That's from breakdowns and side-of-the-road repairs.
It's easier to take this loose so that you can pull this back and forth to get that on than it is to take that off and leave this connected and try to pull the hose back. You got me? All right. One more thing. It's better to have too many tools than not enough tools. You would think I only needed a screwdriver, well, I didn't even need clamps. But you would think I only needed a screwdriver and a hose for this job. I needed a screwdriver. This wouldn't fit in the hole. So I had a screwdriver tip. Somewhere, I gotta find it. That went in this socket. Got a ratchet. That's the only way I could get to that screw to get it loose, to twist it back, to then use this. And I only had this much room to play. What else? Oh, and I also needed the hammer to break it free because it's been sitting on there so long that it had got basically semi-welded. All right, this is my last time I'm coming back. If you don't see me again, I made it to the truck stop. Oh, so my point was, go to the link in the description. There's a page where I say all the tools that you should get as a truck driver. And most of them, even as a company driver. If this works, if I have enough water, this took me about an hour, which it would have took that long for someone to come on roll call. Not to mention it cost me between $300 and $600 to get it fixed or get it towed to the truck stop and then wait to get in. So go to the link. If you don't have enough water, you need to carry it going. I already poured a gallon in there, trying to find the hole. I got about 4 more gallons.
Another bit of advice I'd like to offer you is to carry extra hoses of all sizes with you over the road. Also, carry clamps, no cheap ones, wrench and socket set, a hammer, electrical tape, and enough water to fill your system. That will eventually save you hundreds of dollars. He even carries an extra airbag, brake chamber, and belts. Once he had to sit for 3 days waiting on a belt on a Friday. Never again will that happen. So expand your mind when it comes to preventive maintenance and open your mind to carrying extra parts and plenty of tools. Happy trucking from lifeasatrucker.com, where people go to learn about trucking life, trucking health, and making more money. And remember, only the strong survive.